WhatsApp marketing software. Smartest way to promote your business. It is first ever listed and available WhatsApp software on Google Chrome store by So Let's Talk Digital. Let's talk about the features of this software. It is easy to use and can be instantly downloaded. You can upload your contacts in the software in an Excel sheet and send multiple messages without saving numbers in your mobile phone. You can put in the names in the Excel sheet and all messages can be addressed personally to the recipients. You can send text, images, videos, documents and much more. Time scheduling and personalized message feature is also available. Text editing and multi-language text can also be done. Inbuilt number filter software is of a great help. Now you can increase social presence and grow your business with social media power. You are not required to pay per message cost, and in just one click you can boost your business to the next level. Not only this, now you can also pull out your contact list and WhatsApp contacts from your phone book and reach out to them in a single click. So hurry up and start boosting your business today. To know more about the costing, dial +91 788 038 9122 or log into www.soletstalkdigital.com or get in touch with your relationship manager.